In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy base layouts in Clash of Clans. There's two ways you can go about doing this. The first way of doing it is by going to a website like this one here, which is like clashofclanslayouts.com, finding the layout that you want by choosing whatever town hall you are. Just remember, you cannot copy bases that are above or below one level than your town hall, so just know that. So here we are. I am Town Hall 13. I can find a base layout that I like, so I like this one here. I would go ahead and click on or tap that one there, and then when I'm here, I can go to base link, copy this plan. I can copy that like so, and it will automatically open up the layout editor within Clash of Clans, where I can choose an empty base like this one here, and it says village edit mode. Go ahead and go to OK, and that will paste that layout here. Just remember that there may be some things that aren't able to be placed because maybe you have not cleared out all of the debris or things that you need to clear out. That's the first thing. The other way of doing it is by going to your clan. So here I am under my clan here. You can see this is me, and I have to choose someone who has a similar base than mine. So I can choose this one here, and I can go to profile like so, and then I can go to visit, or I could have just visit there. And in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see something that says copy layout. You just copy the layout there, and it will automatically bring out the layout editor where you can choose here to go ahead and go into edit mode, and it will paste that base as well. Just remember, as before, if there's not room or there's things in the way or blocking certain areas, like you see, I have a bunch of stuff blocking it here, there'll be items that aren't able to be placed. So you may want to cancel out, go back to your base, clear everything out first, like you see me doing here, and then copy and paste the base. That's the two ways you can do it. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.